with FilmoraGo. There's Filmora others, but FilmoraGo is more for mobile devices. Like mobile, it goes somewhere. Mobile devices go somewhere. So Filmora 9 is like a buffed up, more PC version. But here we go. So I was actually working on a video. Working on editing a video, and you can just make videos. This one, Project 3. I'm trying to make this a minute long because for what I want to say will not be. I won't be able to do it in literally 5 seconds. That's all a photo does. If you look to the right, you could have seen Ray Doom, and that was my previous video. You could have recognized that from my previous video. You can tell who it's about by basically what all 7 clips are. And the way to do this, if you want a long video with just one picture, is you hit duplicate, and then you could keep. Wait. No, I'm fine. Just come on. Things. Also, I'm using Google Play to screen record. Dang it, it's not letting me. Well, I'll just have to keep hitting duplicate on. Oh, pushes me up. And now it says waiting, and you could just spam duplicate, or you could just wait for the waiting thing to go away, then do it. Waiting. So now, 12 clips of 5 seconds, and 5 times 12 is 60, and 60 seconds is a minute, so there. And, oh, come on, now I can't get back to clip 1. Ooh, I have an idea. Okay, save. Yeah, you could do music, you could do all this stuff in just one editing app. None of the editing softwares I used, well, not really softwares, but none of them actually edited my videos. I literally had to, or on FilmoraGo, you have the footage, it's like downloaded, so into FilmoraGo, so they give you the option to make it onto like Instagram or YouTube or something. So, yeah. This is gonna take a while. I think I should explain myself on all the Alistairs. I was thinking of making these like picture books of like the Galarian gym leaders for Pokemon. They're like their lives, like an animate my life, but for the gym leaders. Or draw my life. But my drawing skills are not good enough to to do that type of book, or because on the cover I barely even got past the arms or the shoes. But this is gonna be like a bit about how I love Alistair after seeing like a video. What was it? Oh yeah, all gym leader cards, or Pokemon gym cards, or whatever. Yeah, Pokemon gym cards I searched, and I found this video. I saw Alistair on the front clutching his mask, so I watched the video, and there was a survey thing. Community tab. No, not the community tab. No, this thing. On the top left, it had like information, an eye in a circle. Anyway, it was how much do you like Alistair? I clicked on it. I chose a lot. I just chose a lot, and that was most of what people said actually. So yeah, this is gonna be about him. Now I think Also, in YouTube on I think mobile devices, you can actually like cut footage from the beginning and the end. So people don't notice that, I'm guessing. So they don't see the potential. So I'm just gonna get out and edit it again. It won't show the FilmoraGo. It won't show the FilmoraGo in this project thing, but it will actually happen. Now, I will not talk about this video. Or wait, actually, I'll just end it here. Hope you like my next video.